Get your calendars out. February 17th, February 18th, live trading, San Diego. We got the Lowe's Coronado. I mean, what else would you want? This event is limited to 50 people. Look at your calendar, clear it, make sure you show up. If you want to be a rebel, this is the place to be. You got to sign up for it now. Giddy up, baby.
Hey, welcome back, folks. I am John Najarian, and this is 3 at 3. So if you wanted some trades, well, of course, we bring them to you every day when Pete and I do the Rebels Edge Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we will be doing that again tomorrow at 1. But this is 3 at 3. I'll bring you at least 3 of our best trades from today. And let's get started for this, the 19th of December. Wow, just days away from Christmas Eve, folks. Unusual activity. This is, as you know, where we use a computer to find fast-moving and large blocks of calls or puts, and then we follow them. So we are surfers. We don't create it. We just ride the wave. Here's one wave that's been working out nicely for quite a while. That is Hasbro. Hasbro, well, stock was 61.29. They started buying April double nickel. That's 55 puts. And as you see, the stock has fallen by more than $5 now, all the way down to 56 bucks. And since we are in the at the money puts and are now selling at the money puts against it, it's a good day. Bang. Also, this one, from just, a week ago, the 12th of December, Paramount. They were buying puts. The stock was $19.24. Now the stock is $16.83, nearly down another 3% today alone. And our February puts, which were in the money when we bought them, even more in the money now. Bang. BXMT, another one that we brought to you on the bearish side, 23.77 was the stock. It's down another 1.7% today to 22.11. Those January 20 puts, yeah, they'd be still moving up. But you know what's moving up faster? All those at the money puts are moving up. Bang. Again, that's why we trade options, folks. And how about this one? From Friday, the S&P 500 ETF, known as the Spider, SPY, was trading at 382, almost 386. Almost 383, right? You can see that. 50,000 of the this Friday expiring 23 of December expiring puts. So this was at the 375 strike. So again, we buy at the monies and sell out of the money. So now I have been aggressively selling puts against the puts that I own. What did they do? Well, they put on a put spread here, as you can see, paying about $1.40 or so and selling for 20 or 22 cents. The other side, the 365 puts, that has expanded rather dramatically. And our puts that we put on, which were at the money, in other words, 383, those are now almost $5 in the money. Bang! Again, that's how we trade it, folks. You have to decide if what I described for you is an appropriate trade for you. But if you don't understand options yet, by all means, come to marketrebellion.com/get started and learn how you can follow right along with us. Doesn't take a lot of time. Doesn't take a lot to understand it well enough for you, because you're not going to be in the pit fighting it out like my brother Pete and I were. Instead, you're sitting around at home, having a nice cup of coffee, and you're saying, you know what? I like this trade. I think the market's likely to go lower. I think the Fed's going to go too far. I think they're going to push rates up too far and the market will go down. Well, if that's your outlook, which is my outlook, then trades like the one I've just described for you are exactly what the doctor ordered. And we will have more of those tomorrow because AJ Monte's Bear Market Playbook, I will be joining AJ right at the market close, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. If it's the first time you've heard this pitch, you don't pay a thing for it. We are just hoping that you will join us and then get excited about trading options, excited about AJ's insights into technical analysis, and decide to join us and sign up for one of the services. But you know what? Costs you nothing to come. And in fact, tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern, we will record it. So even if you can make it live, we will give you a recording. And if you can't make it live, we will still give you a recording so that you, for signing up for it, will get a full recording of everything we discuss during that approximately 45-minute webinar tomorrow right at the market close. You can go over it again and again as many times as you like to really get it. So go to marketrebellion.com and you'll see exactly how you can register right there. Marketrebellion.com. Just register and join us tomorrow. All right, here's the new ones for today. Uber. So Uber, somebody decides to buy an in-the-money put. They buy 4,500 in the money puts. What is an in the money put? The right to sell the stock at a certain price. If the stock price is lower than where you have the right to sell it, that put is thus in the money. So they knew that with the stock trading at 24.86, that they wanted to buy puts, and these puts would be about 64 cents in the money because, of course, the right to sell it at 25.50, if it's trading 24.86, 64 cents, plus a little time premium because these puts have until Friday before they expire. So 4,500 of these is 450,000 shares. Somebody wants a big protective put and they wanted it fast, or there's a very bearish bet placed and that's what they're looking to ride out now. So we joined them in the at the money or in the money puts. You decide how you want to view it. And of course, we encourage you, as always, to go over to marketrebellion.com/get started. You will see that form. All you got to do is fill it out, and we will send you everything about all the different services that we have. And then hopefully you'll join us and become a market rebel. All right, let's talk about the second trade. This is one Pete has hit time and time and time again. EFA. I've talked about it a lot too. EFA, well, they're buying 65 puts. This is a broad ETF for everything, I think, outside of the US and Canada. EFA, bearish puts. The stock was trading 65.16. They were buying the 65 puts, the at the money. They're not in the money. They're right at the money. So at the money puts gives you the right to sell at 65, and they paid about 92 cents for those. And look what they did. They bought 59,000 of those. That's 5.9 million shares to the short side, folks. Hands out to the short side. So if you want to follow some smart money like that, well, this is also money that has made money because, as you see, they rolled from the 40,000 Jan 75 puts that they already had on, took that profit and rolled down into this one. Bang. That is San Diego Live. Market Rebellion will be live in San Diego. I think it's the 17th and 18th of February. I think that's President's Weekend. So this would be live trading, 2 days of live trading, Thursday and Friday. Check it out, marketrebellion.com/SD. That is marketrebellion.com/SD. Bang. It's going to be a great time, folks. Be live trading with a bunch of our crew in San Diego. Check it out, marketrebellion.com/SD. And just to wind things up, another big put. It's a common theme here, isn't there? Let's see. IWM. This is the Russell small caps. 172.13 was where the stock was trading. They were buying the 164 puts, which are approximately $8 under, $8 out of the money. because of course an in the money would be something higher than 172.13. These are out of the money puts. So they paid about $2 for these puts, 50,000 of them. That's 5 million share equivalent. Multiply 5 million times 172 and you get the idea. Yeah, this is somebody pretty big that is putting on a position, a big bearish position in the small caps, the Russell 2000. So we traded right along with them. And this is also somebody who has made money on these trades before because they rolled 50,000 of the Jan 166 puts down to the Jan 164 puts. So they pulled money off the table and they established a position at a lower strike price. That's going to do it for us today, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're making some money with it, fantastic. Check out marketrebellion.com/get started. If you need to up your game, go from a zero to a novice, go from a novice to an intermediate, intermediate to advanced. You can do it all. Marketrebellion.com. We've also got coaches and mentors that can help you get to that next level faster. Check it out, folks. Marketrebellion.com/get started. I will see you tomorrow.